Flower Farm. My name's Tina and we are situated on the south coast of New South Wales, Australia. And today we're going to be doing a March 2023 tour of our cut flower farm. I did a February tour of the flower farm last month, so I'll put a link to that in the description below, and then you can watch that and see the difference. So I've got the top garden first, and last month you'll see the dahlias here were so small and they weren't growing, and they've actually really grown and they're looking much bigger, which is a good thing. So hopefully next year these dahlias are double the size to what they are now. And I've also put other things, seeds in here, like this, zinnias. We've got sunflowers, all around, all in the beds. There's a few of them. There's even an amaranth there. It's actually grown very, very big. It's getting good. This soil must be very, very good that I've put here. I actually think since I've put the soil here that the plants have done just so much better. I've put more in between the plants, and I think they're really thriving off that. I'm yet to come in here as well and put mulch in this area for the dahlias. It's just gonna take some time before I get to that. But yeah, it's looking really, really nice. And then on this side, we've done some cleaning up, and it doesn't look like there's much growing in here, but if you look closely, there's heaps of like seedlings. There's heaps of cosmos that's come up everywhere. And there's also heaps of all these seeds. Like, look at that. That is all amaranth and amaranthus, like just all through here. It's just full. Also, I'll show you, look at that. That is all Queen Anne's lace that is self-seeded and coming up. Is that not insane? That is crazy. So the self-seeding coming up in this garden bed is just crazy. It's everywhere, which will be really good. I don't know if they'll make it up in time because it's now autumn, but they might, like the Queen Anne's lace will grow over winter time and that will all come up next year. So for that, it's a great thing. I won't have to plant that next year now, so it's good. this is the next area that we've got. We'll start down on this side. We've got some roses along here. Oh, you can't see that. There. Got a whole row here. The weeds in this garden have just gotten like way out of hand and we need to do some weeding. But look at these zinnias. They're amazing. Oh, this one's huge. Look at the size of that. That's insane. Oh, there's more big ones over here. That one. Wow. This one. This is the cactus variety. This one here. And they grow massive here. The soil is really good in this garden bed area. So I find if you put seeds in the ground, plants in the ground, they grow very, very quick. And we've got the cosmos through here. And the cosmos is self-seeding, all in the pathway. It's just everywhere. And down the end here, along here and along here, I've planted some sweet peas. So we'll have a big, nice wall of sweet peas through here in springtime. And we've got all the zinnias growing really well in this bed here. These zinnias were not planted that long ago, but because the soil's so good here, they have just grown so fast. They look so good. Last but not least, we have this area. So this top bed here, I've got some alyssum in here, and I'm thinking of pulling it out because I want to put a row of dahlias through here. So I'm not sure about that. We'll see if it will be here later or not. I might pull it up. We'll see. I personally think that this is the best section with all the basil, and I just like touch it and then smell it and just, oh, so good. Basil just smells so good. It looks amazing and it attracts a lot of bees. So I love to have a bit in the garden. Oh, heaven, so good. You cannot beat that. Enjoyed watching this video today of the tour around our flower farm. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you next time.